Did you know it's possible to click a few buttons and get unlimited free traffic to your website or affiliate link in as little as 52 seconds? If that excites you, pay close attention. We've developed a software that does exactly that. It's called iTraffic X. This software is mind-blowing and enables you to get unlimited free traffic so you can finally make real, consistent money online. So, how exactly does iTraffic X work? In a nutshell, iTraffic X creates unlimited set and forget traffic streams automatically. Simply add a few pieces of information to the iTraffic X software, click the mouse a few times, and bam! In as little as 52 seconds later, the traffic starts rolling in. iTraffic X is completely newbie friendly, and you don't need any special skills or experience to get traffic flowing and start making money. It's fast, it's easy, and it works. The best part is, everyone can benefit from the free traffic that iTraffic X can get for you, including affiliate marketers, product creators, e-com store owners, brick-and-mortar businesses, list builders, freelancers, authors, coaches, bloggers and vloggers, stay-at-home parents, students, retired people, or anyone else wanting to get traffic and make money online. This makes iTraffic X a must-have tool for anyone who wants to make money online. You can start getting free traffic and make money in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into the cloud-based software from any device with an internet connection. Step 2. Tell the software where you want your free traffic sent to. Can be any website or affiliate offer. Step 3. Sit back while the software gets you top quality traffic in 52 seconds or less. Being able to drive traffic on demand catapults you right into the laptop lifestyle. You can make money 24/7. Make money without any prior tech skills or experience. Create additional income out of thin air anytime you want. Bank extra money with just a few clicks of your mouse. Stop buying software and training that just don't work like they claim. Work smarter by using our software that does all of the heavy lifting for you. Travel the world, quit your day job, and live life on your own terms. And you know what's really killer about this software? The results you can get are better than using paid traffic and time-consuming free traffic methods. And that's not all. Because we know how important it is to be able to get traffic from anywhere, we've made iTraffic X cloud-based. This means you can use the software on any device, anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Drive free traffic to your websites or affiliate links when you're traveling or taking a vacation, even if you only take your smartphone. You're probably thinking that this revolutionary traffic-getting software is probably very expensive. Although it would be easy to charge you $47 per month for this, and you'd still be getting great value even at that price. However, you're not going to pay anywhere near that today. During this special launch, we're slashing the price and eliminating the monthly fee, but only for a limited time. That means when you get iTraffic X right now, you're not going to pay $47 per month for access to this fantastic software. In fact, you're not going to have to pay monthly at all. By hitting the buy button today, you get instant access to iTraffic X for a single, one-time only payment. And that's not all. When you act today, you'll receive premium money-making bonuses worth $4,297, including the agency edition, absolutely free. And to make this a total no-brainer for you to grab this right now, you're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk. The only possible way you can lose here is by missing out on iTraffic X at a massive discount. So act fast, because the price goes up every 60 minutes. For real. If you wait, you'll pay more. Are you tired of struggling to get the traffic you need? Are you ready to stop spinning your wheels and finally make real money online? Do you want to get free, top converting traffic to any website in the next 52 seconds or less with just a few clicks of your mouse? Then click the button below now to lock in your discount and get instant access to iTraffic X.
Features inside the software, so I'll quickly log in here, and if you do want your own account, let David know and he'll be more than happy to sort that out for you. So when you log in, you can see you're presented with this familiar dashboard. Okay, so you got your campaigns, you got some stats up here, how many videos uploaded, how many links have been posted. You got some on the left hand side, you got all the different options. Now depending on which depending on which option the customer purchases, some of these features will be in the more advanced versions of the software, okay, such as OTO1 or OTO2, so on. So you've got the search keyword research tool to see which keyword somebody can potentially rank a video for. You've got your new campaigns here, so you can enter all the usual stuff. You can enter campaign name, title, description, tags. You can either choose a video that somebody's created themselves, or they can create a video very, very quickly. As well as that, you've got the scheduler feature here, so somebody can schedule different times they want different videos to be posted. You've got some other cool benefits, such as it pulls in the top 10 offers at any given time, so you can see right now we've got all these different offers on JBZoo, and it just makes it easier for a newbie to have it all in one place. Okay, as well as that, somebody can connect their different video accounts, they can connect their different social media accounts, and then they've got the reseller panel where they can potentially resell the reseller license to others, then the agency panel to keep track of all the agency clients that they get should they wish to do the agency model. Okay, and then you've got your video training, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick demo. If you need anything, if you want access, let us know. And please note, some of these advanced features such as reseller, agency, these will be included in the more advanced version of the software, which is the OTO 1, 2, 3 or 4. And the basic feature of creating a video, uploading it to a video site, and then syndicating those links to social sites, that's what will be included in the main front end edition, as well as the training. So if you do have any questions, let us know. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I'll speak to you very, very soon. And I hope to see you on the leaderboard come the 19th of December at 11 AM Eastern.